Go over how to draw Knuckles from Sonic to the movie, okay? It's going to be real simple, really easy, and step by step, all right? So, what I want you to do, follow along with a pencil, pen, anything you have, marker. I'm going to be using a marker. Stay all the way to the very end because but that way you're going to really have it in your long-term memory if you finish the lesson. And that is it. So, let's jump right into it. Alrighty, and I'll pull down over here for Knuckles' eyes, kind of where he's furrowing his eyebrows, and I'm going to pull up right here, straight. Well, I mean, this is going to go off, and then this is going to go straight, curve down right here for one eye. Down over here, curve down, line here, curve up, line out, curve down over here on this side, curve over here, curve. All right, and let's go into the kind of U shape of the eyes. So right now, see, it looks kind of like some lenses, right? Looks like some glasses. Now we're gonna go right here. We're gonna curve right here up. Over on this side, curve up. Another curve, another curve. So he's serious. A little bit of opening here, fill that in. Opening here, fill that in. Curve for the side of the mouth. Down, over here on the left side. And then down here at another angle. He's gonna have his mouth open. We're gonna go over here now. We're gonna go to the nose area. Curve over here for the nose. Down over here. Fill it in. Line across. Curve around here. Down. Over here, down over here, down here, curve over here, out, underneath, down. So we have Knuckles yelling right there, right? You see the top and bottom row of teeth. I could throw in a little, fang in there. I just didn't. And let's fill this in. Again, this is like the movie version of Knuckles here. Let's go here underneath the chin. And we're going to pull it back over here on this area. Curve, curve. Line up. Line. Line, line. Over here on this side. Line up. Curve around here for the brow. Because the brows, he's always got a big brow. That's kind of what Knuckles is really known for. And we're going to pull a line right here in the middle. Right over here. Line, line, line. Over here on this side. Got one dread, but you're also throwing these thin lines, right? Like, because again, this is a movie version. You want to have the fur. The other thing about the movie version is he's got this like piece right here for his eyes, because in the cartoon it looks like one big eyeball if they were to open it up. But he's got this like piece in the middle there, kind of separating the eyes. I know that's like a lot more common from the movie one. Going up here, again, just kind of, excuse me, just kind of keep it in mind, that change. Keep rolling around here. And kind of goes down over here on this dread. You know, again, and make it right. It's obvious it's the movie version, right? Let's pull another one around the corner here. Another dread. Pulling up here as well. Let me draw a little curve over here on this side. So I'm going to darken out the lines in the eyes a little bit, because what I want them to do is I want them to create a focus right on the eyes. Right on the eyes. There's got to be some sort of focus there, in my opinion. Alright. And then throwing maybe another little line here, just as a shadow, right? Kind of make it obvious. Sorry, there's a car outside. I don't know if you could hear that car. Sometimes I'll say that and people don't hear it. Let me know if you heard that car outside. There was literally a car that drove by outside and I was like, brrr. Let me know if you heard that. It's like really annoying to me right now, but sometimes it doesn't pick up on the mic, which is good, right? What is this, a microphone? Oh, actually, it's funny. This mic is right in the way of like the shadow right here. Not Shadow the Hedgehog, but you know, of the shadow. Kind of pulling over here. And now we're just toying with a line. So whenever you're done with like drawing, toy with like the bottom line specifically, because the bottom lines create a base, which I think is you know, a big part of this, creating that base. Right there. Yeah. The more you toy with that stuff too, the better kind of look you're gonna have to it. It's gonna have like this very like fixed look. Don't forget, hit the like, by the way, if you love Sonic or Knuckles, or especially the movie if you like Knuckles. You could go lastly right here, you can put a really thin lines to separate out the teeth. You don't have to do that, but it's definitely a good idea to always do that. Thanks. Alright, and if you want to keep learning how to draw and keep pushing your skills, go right here to this video on here, on this side. That video I put because it's the exact same theme as the video you just saw, and it I like it as a bit of a pair. So absolutely go check that out right now, another short video.